Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I, Rufa Labot Cambatu, 29 years old. I was born on November 1996. I live in Tuba, Benguet, Philippines. I am married and I have one child. He is 8 years old. I am graduating high school since 2010 to 2014. Ma'am, Sir, this is my first time work there in abroad, but I had an experience here in Baguio City, Philippines for almost 6 years. It started June 5, 2018 to February 5, 2024. I work as a housemaid and took care of kids and elderly. I serve one couple, one old man, he is 72 years old, 8 years old girl, and 4 months old baby boy. My duties and responsibilities is to taking good care of kids, washing the clothes, cooking, and cleaning the house. I want to work there and abroad to support for the financial needs of my family. To my future employer, Ma'am and Sir, I can take care elderly and kids. I can cook, wash dishes, wash clothes, and cooking. Ma'am, Sir, I am willing to do my job as well, and I promise that I will finish my contract to you, Ma'am, Sir. Thank you, Ma'am, Sir, and God bless.